Good afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. I am just coming on here real quick to do a quick unbagging. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I was watching Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea last week, and if you have not seen her channel, please check her out. And she did an unbagging, I think it was actually friend mail maybe, from a cover minder company. And I thought, oh my gosh, those were really neat, and I wanted to order some, so I did. And this young lady the name of the company is JustMinder Business. And here is her card. Like, there. I had started this video and I didn't like it, and I was just saying how I normally open stuff and wanted to open it with you guys, and it was, I don't know what was wrong with me, but it didn't turn out well, and so that's why everything is still out. But anyway, I ordered F4, but I haven't opened them, so you'll still get to see them. We'll still see them together. Okay, like I said, she's on Etsy, and she sent me a little thank you card, and it just says, "Thank you for your support. I appreciate you, Scarlet." And her name is, yes, Scarlet Handley. All right, and then, oh, this is really neat. Just a little card here. Kindness matters. One kind word can change someone's entire day. Open a door for someone, let someone in front of you in traffic, say please and thank you. Just be nice. It takes no effort. Who knows, it may even be contagious. So that's really cool. I like that. Okay. All right. So I have a little baggie here, which I always love. And stickers are like my favorite things. Oh. Today is going to be a good day. That is so cool. Oh, look at this little corgi. I love stickers. I didn't think I was going to get this many. And the OK sign. I love it. Look at Shrek. Here's a bumblebee. Oh my goodness. The sea turtle. Oh. And here is SpongeBob. Oh my God. One of the Muppet characters. I think this is Kermit in a wig. And then this says autumn is here. And then this last one is peace sign, glasses with the peace sign. That's so cool. And I got a couple of things of wax and a multi-placer. And I think, I'm not sure. Oh, I probably should just take it out. I don't know why I'm struggling. You guys, I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm just struggling. This is probably like a 6-placer, maybe a 7-placer. And then wax. And then it says, believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. So yeah, I'm wearing that now. I need this. All right. And candy. I always want candy. And like a little washi tape. Yeah. I just hit the jackpot. And then a sucker. And then these little diamonds. Or, yeah. How cool. There's red, white, and blue. And then here's some even smaller crystals. Oh, this is so neat. Well, I didn't expect all of that. How nice. All right. So I will move all of this stuff over. And we'll just open the first one. All right. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm a 5-year-old, because like you watch somebody and you're like, I want that. And so I don't know. I'm just like, I mean, how many cover miners do you need? But, you know, apparently I needed 4 more. So I'm happy that, I'm glad I got them. Glad I got them. So this first one is a skull. And they are $4.50. Let me get this out. You know, you guys, I think she sent me an extra one because I only ordered 3, but I have 4. I am counting correct. This is so cool. I have a really good friend that is into sugar skulls, and so that's how I got into them. So, and I really like them a lot. So this is so cool. And then she has like a little washer for the back. Oh, I love it. Okay. And here is the second one. How sweet. Oh man. She did. She sent me an extra one. Oh, that was so nice of her. It's all pumpkin for the fall. How cool is that? And the washer. Now, I am not as fancy as some people. You know, when they are kitting up, they make sure that everything matches. I'm just happy that I have equipment to do it. But I may put this on when I do my fall y'all event that I am going to be participating with Diamond Grandma. That's going to start next month. So you guys, if you have not seen Diamond Grandma, you should go over on her channel and check her out. She is fabulous as well. All right. And then is the third one. Now, I got this because if you watch I have a weekly chat where I ask questions, and the question this week is, what do you watch or listen to when you are doing your diamond painting? And I, like a lot of you guys out there, love true crime. And so I got this one. It says, I'm just here to establish an alibi. So when I saw that, I was like, yes, I definitely have to get this. And like I said, the ones that I ordered, and this is the last one, they are all $4.50. And it did not take any time. I just ordered these like last week. And so it didn't take any time for it to get here. All right, and here is the last one. Now, I know that Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea, that she got one of these, and I thought it was so cute. And you guys, please forgive my nails. They are looking a hot mess, and I need to go get them redid it. And I probably will next payday, so I just have to be looking raggedy to payday. Look at that watermelon. It is so cute. I love it. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So I have the watermelon. I'm just here to establish an alibi. And then the skull, the sugar skull. And then she was very sweet and sent me an extra one. It's the pumpkin. I love this. So I am very happy, very happy, very happy. I can't wait to get off of here and start going back to my diamond painting and use them. So, like I said, just wanted to jump on real quick with that. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button on your way out. And if you are still with me and would like to join my little family, I would really love that. If you'll hit that subscription button, I would appreciate it, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of every time that I put up a new video. You guys, thank you so much. For the people who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it immensely. So, be good to each other. Have a great rest of your week. And remember to be cool and keep diamond painting. Bye, guys.